The world is evolving and has seen exponential growth in the 21st century compared to any other in the past. It can be called a century of growth and evolution. The growth is evident in every aspect of life, and the change is so rapid that every passing decade is setting a new benchmark. This can be attributed to the change in requirement of human beings. The industries need to be adaptive and agile to accommodate these changes, else they may not survive. One of the most prominent domains which played a significant role in improving the life quality of humans is product design. The product design is a solution-driven design process that involves understanding the need and requirement of the individual or the system and developing the solution for the determined problem. For instance, a laptop, tab, or mobile help us solving a variety of life problems. A mobile helps us to communicate with the person which is at distance, whereas a laptop gives us the computational power to calculate, process, and store the data of information. Human's life is surrounded by hundreds and thousands of products, which not only helps in performing day-to-day activities, but also improves life quality. Product design plays a significant role in everyone's life. Product design is a process of developing new products which provide solution to a specific problem, the product that can be sold to customers by a business entity. The process starts with conceptualization of the idea and finishes with the development of the end product. The end product is the actual object which will be given to the customer. For instance, consider a lightweight bike to be introduced as a new product to meet the specific requirement of the customers. The design process of this new product will start with the generation of a unique idea by identifying the actual need of the customer through market research and survey. Thereafter, the idea needs to be converted into virtual model using design software tool, which is then analyzed and validated through simulation tool. Once the design product satisfies all the required performance parameters, it is then sent for manufacturing and later released to the market for the consumers. The whole process of creating design of a new product is called as product design process. To expand further on the design process, let us know what are the things that are involved in the design process. The design process consists of design research, design engineering, simulation, and testing stages. The design research involves market research, benchmarking, and concept creation. The market research process helps in identifying the problem and need of the consumers which is required to be solved. Benchmarking process compares the product which are already there for problem but are having shortcomings. Based on these understandings, the concept of the product is created. In the product definition stage, the concept model functionality is defined. These functions are ones which answers the shortcomings that were identified during the benchmarking process. Thereafter, the product design is developed and iterated until it matches the product definition criteria. The design creation and iteration are carried out through the computer-aided design tools commonly referred as CAD. The simulation stage involves design analysis, design optimization, and multi-body dynamics. Simulation helps in performing the virtual test on the models by actualizing the real condition to examine the performance of the design. The simulation is performed by using computer-aided engineering tools, which is commonly known as CAE. The testing is done to validate the results obtained during the simulation process and evaluate the overall performance of the design. The testing can be done on the prototype in the real condition or the lab-based setup. The endurance test is done for performing the test for a longer period of time to examine its performance in a long run. It should be noted that the design process is an iterative and costly process, and it is carried out until the set parameters are achieved. Computer-aided design is an interactive software tool that aids in creation of mechanical design. These designs are in the form of virtual 2D or 3D models. These models are the replica of the concept which were ideated during the product definition stage. There are numerous benefits involved with the users of CAD. By using CAD for the product development, the quality of design significantly improves and make the design more understandable. It also helps in reusability of the design, and further modification can be done at ease. Thus, the productivity of design process is greatly improved. On the other hand, computer-aided engineering is a software tool that aids in analysis of engineering problems. CAE tools help in replicating the real testing condition virtually for analyzing the mechanical design, which were created through CAD tools. CAD and CAE both are vital part of the design process and complements each other perfectly. They come together as a software package and are widely used in industries.